If you want to cancel your Todoist subscription, you're in the right place. In this video, I'll walk you through the exact steps to cancel your paid plan quickly and easily so you can do it without any confusion. This is a simple tutorial, but I'll take you through each click carefully so you know exactly where to go inside Todoist. If this video helps you out, please hit the like button and subscribe for more easy step-by-step tutorials just like this. Alright, let's jump right in. First, log into your Todoist account using your browser or the app and make sure you're signed into the account that has the subscription you want to cancel. Once you're inside, look to the top left corner and click your avatar. This opens your account menu where you'll find the main settings options for your Todoist profile. From there, select Settings. Inside the Settings menu, look for the Subscription tab and click it. This is where Todoist manages your billing and plan details, so it's the correct place to check your current subscription status. If you are on a paid plan, you should see an option that says Cancel Plan. If you do not see that option, double check that you're signed into the correct account and that the subscription is active on that profile. Next, click Cancel Plan. Todoist may ask you to choose a reason for cancelling, so select the option that best matches your situation. After that, confirm your decision by clicking Cancel Subscription. Once you confirm, your subscription cancellation will be processed, and your paid plan will no longer renew going forward. It's always a good idea to review any remaining billing period or account notes after cancellation so you know exactly when your plan will end. And that's it, you've successfully cancelled your Todoist subscription. If this tutorial was helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more quick software how-tos, productivity tips, and simple guides that save you time. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.